Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 126 and friends, today we are going to continue the same topic that we will discuss about study related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 126. Adhyayan means study. So friends, I had already told you in previous classes also that those sentences which we normally speak with our guardians, with our teachers and with our principals etc., which are related about studies are known as study related sentences. So friends, let's see them with examples. वह इस वर्ष परीक्षा में नहीं बैठेगा. So in English it means he is dropping out of the examination this year. The sentence basically means that the another person is basically saying कि जो वो स्टूडेंट है वो इस वर्ष परीक्षा में नहीं बैठेगा, मतलब वो स्टूडेंट इस साल एग्जाम में नहीं बैठेगा. सो बेसिकली फ्रेंड्स इट इज ए प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस एंड इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स ही इज ड्रॉपिंग आउट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन दिस ईयर. So friends, it is a present type sentence and since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about a student who will not appear in the examination, so it is a study related sentence. वह अक्सर स्कूल से भाग जाता है. So in English it means he often runs away from the school. The sentence basically means that the person is basically informing to other person कि भाई वो जो स्टूडेंट है वो अक्सर स्कूल से भाग जाता है. मीन्स वो घर से तो आता है लेकिन वो स्कूल को अटेंड नहीं करता, मतलब वहां से भाग जाता है. So in English it means he often runs away from the school. So it is a present type sentence friends, and in this sentence basically the other person is very much cautious or very much curious about the student that why he misses his school. So it is a study related sentence. वह अच्छी तरह मन लगाकर पढ़ती है. So in English it means she takes keen interest in her studies. The sentence basically means that the another person is basically mentioning about the good quality of a female student. So basically he is praising her. So he is saying कि वह अच्छी तरह से मन लगाकर पढ़ती है. So in English it means she takes keen interest in her studies. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence. And in this sentence basically the teacher or another person is praising about the seriousness of a female student in her studies. So it is a study related sentence. आपका ध्यान किस ओर है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स वॉट आर यू लुकिंग एट एंड वाई डोंट यू पे अटेंशन. फ्रेंड्स, द सेंटेंस इज बेसिकली अ प्रेजेंट इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस द स्टूडेंट और अनदर पर्सन इज बेसिकली आस्किंग टू अनदर पर्सन कि भाई आपका ध्यान किस ओर है, मतलब आप किस ओर ध्यान दे रहे हैं, मतलब आप मेरी तरफ देख रहे हैं, किसी और साइड आप ध्यान दे रहे हैं. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स वॉट आर यू लुकिंग एट एंड why don't you pay attention. So friends, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence and in this sentence the student is basically complaining to another person कि why is he not paying attention towards her. So friends, it is a study related sentence. हमारे स्कूल में कल छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. So in English it means our school will be closed for vacation from tomorrow. The sentence basically means friends the principal और स्कूल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्कूल इज बेसिकली मैंशनिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स कि भाई हमारे स्कूल में कल से छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. मीन्स आवर स्कूल विल बी क्लोज फॉर वैकेशन फ्रॉम टुमारो. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज ए फ्यूचर टाइप सेंटेंस बिकॉज द स्कूल विल बी क्लोज फ्रॉम टुमारो. इट विल नॉट गेट क्लोज फ्रॉम टुडे, इट विल गेट क्लोज फ्रॉम टुमारो. सो इट इज अ फ्यूचर टाइप सेंटेंस एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस बेसिकली प्रिंसिपल इज इन्फॉर्मिंग टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हिज कॉलेज और स्कूल. सो हमारे स्कूल में कल छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आवर स्कूल विल बी क्लोज्ड फॉर वैकेशन फ्रॉम टुमारो. सो इट इज अ प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस एंड इट इज ए इंफॉर्मेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज द प्रिंसिपल इज बेसिकली इन्फॉर्मिंग टू हर स्टूडेंट्स इन हिज स्कूल और कॉलेज. सो इट इज ए स्टडी रिलेटेड सेंटेंस. हमारा एक दूसरे के घर आना जाना नहीं है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स वी आर नॉट ऑन विजिटिंग टर्म्स. द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स दैट द पर्सन इज बेसिकली टेलिंग टू अनदर पर्सन कि भाई हमारा एक दूसरे के घर आना जाना नहीं है, मतलब हम एक दूसरे से मिलते जुलते नहीं है तो हमारा एक दूसरे के घर आना जाना भी नहीं है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स वी आर नॉट ऑन विजिटिंग टर्म्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट हैपेंस विद अस ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स. इफ वी डोंट लाइक एनी पर्सन, सो वी नॉर्मली डजंट गो at its place, or we don't visit them regularly or often or never. So in this sentence also हमारा एक दूसरे के घर आना जाना नहीं है, so it is a negative type sentence, and in English it means we are not on visiting terms. So friends, basically it is a negative type sentence, and the person is basically informing to another person that they don't talk with that particular person, or they don't have any visiting relations with that person. So it is a study related sentence. नया टाइम टेबल 1 मई से चालू होगा. So in English it means the new timetable will come into force from 1st of May. The sentence is basically a friends informative type sentence, because the principal of the school or college is basically informing to all of our students that नया जो टाइम टेबल है वो 1 मई से चालू होगा. We have normally seen in our school or college also friends, if something new comes out, then our principal or our director of college, they normally put notice on the notice board to inform all the students of their college. So the new timetable will come into force from 1st of May. So friends, basically it is a informative type sentence, and in this sentence the principal is informing about the new timetable to all of his students in his college. So it is a study related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 126, in which I tried to explain you about Adhyayan means study related sentences. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about study related sentences, because friends, study related sentences we normally speak with our teachers, guardians, principals, etc., because we normally tell them about our result, our opening of a school or closing of a school, or our summer vacations, winter vacations of our school or college. So friends, these sentences we normally speak on regular basis when we go to school or college, etc. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror, or either try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And friends, with the passage of time, you will realize that your confidence has boosted up, your personality has groomed, and ultimately you have become a fluent English speaker in front of another person. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would request you again, please keep practicing these sentences on regular basis, and at some point of time you will find that your English language has become quite fluent, and you have become a fluent and perfect English speaker in front of bigger perspective or in front of bigger society. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.